Anybody want to be hypnotized? You? Anybody else? Hypnotism is nothing but you relaxing yourself and you are coming to the present as a more powerful person. Nothing else. Maybe come. One of you. Yeah. So I don't know. First thing is that hypnotism is not like me controlling your mind or I'm going to be mind control. If that is the case, all of you have to control the mind. It's about you allowing yourself to hypnotize. Because if you think like, okay, I cannot be hypnotized, I don't want to be, I want to, it's not going to work in that way. It's about you controlling right now. You are in your subconscious. So I'm going to remove that conscious to unconscious. That is how it works. Alright. And don't be resistive. If you are resistive, it's not going to work. Alright. Okay, you can hold my hand. Come this way. Okay. Just release all the tension. Release all the tension. Focus on my third eye. What's the third eye? Third eye is here. Keep focusing. Just relax, loose. Alright. Focus on here. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Just relax. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Whenever I tell you the word sleep, you can close your eyes and go to a deep trance phase. Okay? Relax your hands. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Take a deep breath in and close your eyes and sleep. All the way down, Relax and deeper and deeper and deeper. The more you go deeper, the more you relax. The more you relax, the more you go deeper. That's right. Whenever I touch on your shoulder, you go 10 times deeper. That's right. Keep complete balance. That's right. Then you can go even deeper now. Whenever I snap my finger, you go 20 times deeper. When I'm releasing this hand, whenever I release all the tension in your hand, all the tension in your hand, all the tension. That's right. When I drop this hand, you go 10 times deeper. When you drop this hand, you go 20 times deeper. That's it. Whenever I tell you the word sleep, you can go 100 times deeper. Alright. In a moment, whenever I tell you, whatever I tell you, it instantaneously becomes your reality. Nod your head as yes. That's right. You can go 20 times deeper. Don't let any other distraction affect you. Focus only on my voice. Any distraction will lead you to focus only on my voice. That's right. Whenever I tell you the word sleep, you go 10 times deeper. Sleep. On the count of 3 and only on the count of 3, wake up. Only on the count of 3, wake up. Now, in a moment, you feel that your feet is completely stuck on the ground. You try to move and you feel that it's completely stuck on the ground. You can try to move right now. It's completely stuck. It's stuck like 100 blocks of cement on your leg. You need to feed your mind that it's completely blocked when you're awake. You can go even deeper now and sleep. That's right. On the count of 3 and only on the count of 3, wake up. 1, 2, and 3. How do you feel? Just try to move. More you try to move, more you get stuck. Try to move. Not able to. Alright, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath in. And sleep. That's right. The more you go deeper, the more you go relax. The more you relax, the more you deeper. In a moment, your feet is no longer stuck. Your feet is no longer stuck. On the count of 3, wide awake, and your feet is no longer stuck. 1, 2, and 3. Now try to move. Yeah? So it's nothing but okay? It's nothing but he believed his subconscious that this is not moving. Okay? Give me your hand. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Whenever I tell you the word sleep, go to sleep and you take a deep breath. And sleep. That's it. You can go even deeper. Further. 10 times deeper. 20 times deeper. 20 times deeper. 20 times deeper. The more you relax, the more you go deeper. The more you go deeper, the more you feel good. In a moment, you completely forget the number 2. You completely forget the number 2. After 1 is 3. Before 3 is 1. You completely forget. The more you try to remember the number 2, you completely forget the number 2. That's right. Nod your head as yes, if you understood. Okay, on the count of 3 and only on the count of 3, wide awake. 1, 2 and 3. How do you feel? Relaxed? Okay. Count my fingers.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How come 6? How many hands do you have?
1, 3.
Okay. How many hands do you have?
3.
How much is this?
That's 2.
2. Okay. Right now I'm taking that number 2 from here. I'm throwing it. I'm keeping it here. You completely forget 2 as of now. Okay. How many fingers I have? So now the 2 is with me right now. I'm keeping your head. Now how many fingers? Now you remember 2. Tell me, how many fingers I have?
5.
5. 1,
2.
now you remember 2. Got it? Okay, deep breath in. Give me a hand. Deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Just relax. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. And sleep. That's it. More relax. Deeper and deeper. In a moment, you remember to your feet are no longer stuck. That's right. Your feet is no longer stuck. And when you wake up, you feel that you are the most powerful person in the world. Nobody else here is more powerful than you. You are the most powerful person in the world. Okay? You don't let anyone dominate you. You don't let anyone come above you. You try to be more powerful than anyone around you. Not only now. Once you are out, and when you see anybody try to dominate you, you feel that you are the most powerful person in the world. Most powerful. 10 times powerful. 20 times powerful. Okay? Even you feel that you are more powerful than me. Okay? That makes you feel more powerful, and you will be grateful for everything that you have in your life. And you don't let any negativities come on your life. Nod your head as yes. So you are the most powerful person in the world. Right? On the count of 3 and only on the count of 3, wide awake. 1, 2 and 3. How do you feel? Powerful? You can go. That's it. Powerful, right? Are you more powerful than me? Yeah. What about these people? More than them. More than anyone. What about Trump is powerful or you are powerful? Yeah. Huh? He is powerful or you are powerful? You think you are more powerful than me? 100%? 200%?